Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how we can install a JDK to our system. So these are the steps defined to install JDK to our system. So the first step is visit the JDK website link. So this is the link for JDK 11 download. So we'll go to this link and we will start downloading from here. So let's see the steps. The second step is scroll down and move into x64 installer section for Windows and select the link in the section. So I'll scroll down and here into x64 installer section, I'll move to this link that is the install link. So in next step, it's written, select the checkbox, I reviewed and accept the Oracle Technology Network License Agreement for Oracle Java SE. So this is the section I have to click on this checkbox and again click the download button. So when we are downloading for the first time, it will ask for Oracle account sign-in details. So here are the details for Oracle sign-in. So just I'll copy the details from here. So for username, I will use this email address. So copy this from here and paste it here. And for password, I'll take the password from here, copy this and paste it here. So once this username and password is passed, then once we are signed into the Oracle account, you see the JDK gets downloaded here. So we'll wait for this JDK to get downloaded. And once the JDK is downloaded, then we will click on the buttons and we will install the JDK in our system. So it's taking time. We will wait for this to get installed. And once JDK is downloaded, then we'll double click on the link, select the options and finish installation. So that's the last step. So here we are waiting for JDK to get installed. Once that's done, we can start first we are waiting for it to get downloaded. Once it's downloaded, then we will install the complete thing and we'll see where it saves in our system. So this JDK is about to complete downloading. So now the JDK is downloaded. I'll click on this drop down, go to the folder where it's available. So this is the folder where you have the JDK. So I'll double click on this. Once I double click on this, it asks for the option that is Java SE Development Kit. So it's asking for the permission. Click on the yes button. Once you do that, you have this option. Keep clicking next. Go for next. And this is the location where you will have the JDK. So the location is mentioned here. Again, click next. And now the complete process is getting installed. So once this is done, it shows that JDK is successfully installed. We'll click the close button. And just to check whether the JDK is installed in our system or not, we will go to this PC. Inside this PC, in C drive, we'll click. From C drive, we go to this program files folder. And in this program files, we have this Java folder. And here you see in this Java folder, the JDK 11.0.16 folder is available. So now the JDK is available in our system. So this is how we can bring JDK to our system through the website. That's all in this video. In next video, we'll see how we can install Eclipse to our system. Thank you.